sound you a little muddy. You got a better grasp of it than I do.
Welcome back, adventurers. Today we'd be meeting up with Aaron, who was the dude riding the Touareg on the ride to Dome Road.
How's it going, dude? Pleasure.
The goal for today was to make it to the top of Mount Taylor. We had a 2 p.m. be back by time, and, well, we underestimated how the rain had affected the roads.
Yeah, so actually, we'll see, man. It doesn't look too bad, but that doesn't mean anything.
So the planned route was to take 550 and then get off on Cabazon Road, take Cabazon Road to Pipeline Road, and then Pipeline Road to Service Road 279. However, Pipeline Road is quite washed out at the river, so we ended up taking a really beautiful scenic route kind of clockwise around Cedro Peak, which I highly recommend, because as you'll see, that river's kind of a chore. Eventually we take a really pretty wrong turn. We're supposed to turn left to get to Mount Taylor, but you know, that's why we have the second try of Mount Taylor. Anyway, I'll shut up now and let's enjoy some really scenic stuff about 30 minutes outside of Rio Rancho.
That nubbin over there looks like the top of a nipple.
Yeah.
Those are the volcanoes.
Oh shit.
There's like, I don't know, 30, 40, I don't know how many there are out here, but this whole area was very volcanic.
Oh wow.
Yeah. What do you think, man?
It's fucking amazing.
I know, right? It's gonna get better.
Yeah, okay. Oh, my happy place. Alright. Now we're getting into the shit. Plateaus, you know, I've come to figure that out. Start paying attention, Joe. Picturesque shit right here, man. Woo! What do we got here? Pipeline Road.
Probably about 20-30 minutes up here, we're going to find out if it's going to be passable or not.
Cool.
And I do know there's a way around it, but it'd take us about 45 to an hour just to get around it, which is it's just great.
Yeah. It's an adventure. All we have is a 2 o'clock deadline. Oh. Hey. Look at that, Joe. There's a road that goes back there.
You know, I've never done this. You want to go check it out real quick?
All right.
It's kind of pretty in there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see what it is.
Huh.
You'll find these, I've seen these everywhere. They're survey markers.
Yeah.
I've seen from like the 20s and 30s, like this one's 1955. That's a dead end.
Yeah.
Right. starting to get a little muddy.
Yeah. I'm glad I washed my bike.
Yeah. Thought I'd put these on. All right, let's do this thing. That's going to be interesting. I'll be honest with you, man. I haven't done a lot of mud stuff.
Yeah.
Have you?
Yeah.
You want to take the lead through this then?
Sure.
I think you got a better grasp of it than I do.
Okay. That's gonna be a great clip. You saying you seem to have this mud thing down pretty good.
Yeah, you do.
Thank you.
Oh man, you might get some mud in that sensor.
Oh, I've already clipped it.
Okay.
Be all right. Yeah, right in a minute.
That was bold, man. That was bold. As soon as I saw you go, I just went right.
Yeah.
Speaking of, because I got to go first, I got to turn on the rear camera. So after that non-working pop of the clutch, this is what the bike looks like.
Oh, yay, back to the pretty stuff. Wow. Ugh. This is pretty right here.
Oh, dude, we're gonna go this way, and it's just amazing. There's so many of these little, see, that's the volcano tips I'm talking about.
Yeah.
So yeah, so let's head down here and see if we can't cross that creek. If not, we're coming back for this road.
Cool.
Shall we go take a look? I think we can get across it, but I think we should go take a look.
I think we can get across it too. I don't know, that looks kind of fucked. No.
Well, some way to do that.
Blop. Rolling Hills. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. So fucking, okay, Jesus. This is a nice road right here. Again, this is the desert. Look how green it is. Oh, look at this. Yes, sir. Oh, stop it. We haven't seen a single soul all day. It's amazing. That's some shit.
That was that was cool, dude. Let's check this out. I'm not 100% sure.
Cool.
This whole area out here is, I guess, for shark teeth.
Shit.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Lighting and shadows, man. So gorgeous.
We made it.
Wow. This is just fucking amazing, man.
Yeah.
Probably pretty muddy down there, though.
Yeah.
This is the point where if you want to go to Mount Taylor, you go left. But if you don't, you go right, and it's still a really pretty ride.
This way.
Okay.
I should really write these things down.
Cloud cover, fucking Come on, man. Can't beat it. Not even with a stick.
We should have went the other way.
Okay.
I'm almost positive. Headed back. Hey, you coming from that direction? Yeah. That's the way to get to Mount Taylor, isn't it?
Yes, but it's a long ass way.
Look at this.
Just when I told all my body parts to relax because we're pretty much back on the service road 287 to get to pavement. And then Aaron did the double take on this here hill. And once the second look was given, I knew we were gonna go up it.
All right.
Maybe this wasn't a good idea.
Ha ha ha.
Join us next time when we head back to Colorado to help work the San Isabel Enduro again. This is always such a fun time with a great bunch of folks. After that, Aaron and I attempt Mount Taylor yet again. Only this time, I find out that there's an ass load of rocks after all this muddy fun. Thanks so much for watching.